Hi, welcome to my channel Foskey Journal. I am Hamid Khan. Recently, one of my subscriber DM me and asked me how to become an AI engineer. In my research, I found out there are 10 steps or stages to become an AI engineer. If you want to become AI career, you don't have to be 10 out of 10 or 100 out of 100. To begin with, at least you have to complete 2 or 3 steps or stages to become an AI engineer. In my video, I'm going to explain top 10 stages or steps to become an AI engineer. Now, let's see what are those steps. First and topmost is the programming languages. Topmost AI programming language is Python. You must learn Python foundations, where it talks about syntaxes, loops, OOPs, and data structures. Second is mathematics or statistical mathematics, where it talks about linear algebra, calculus, probabilities, and many more. Thirdly, importantly, machine learning language, where it talks about clustering, SVMs, and model evaluations. Fourth and importantly, deep learning, which talks about neural network, CNN, RNN networks, and many more. Fifth is language of AI, which is natural language processing. In my earlier video, I spoke about language of AI. I have provided the link in the description box. Kindly take a look. In fifth, natural language processing talks about tokenization, embeddings, and model sequences, many more. Before I move to remaining stages, as I said earlier, out of top 10 stages, if you are good with 2 or 3 stages, you can begin your career in AI as an engineer. However, if you have a 10 out of 10, then you are become expert in AI. Moving on to stage 6, transformers and LLM architectures, where it talks about self-attention, encoder, decoder models. And the stage 7 is fine-tuning and custom model training. You have to learn fine-tuning techniques for GPT, BERT, and custom LLMs. And the 8th one is LangChain Framework, which is to build a powerful LLM pipeline tools. And the 9th one is LangGraph and RAG systems, RAG systems, which is graph-based reasoning, multi-node orchestration, retrieval workflows. By the time of stage 9, you will become an AI expert and you can start building an AI agents, which is our stage 10. Where the stage 10 talks about to build AI agents and MCPs. Here you can build autonomous AI agents and MCP based automations. That's our stage 10. All these 10 stages to become an AI engineer or an expert, you need to know at least to start a career 2 or 3 stages, and to become an expert at least 8 or 9 stages. And this video is very important those who wants to build the career in AI. You can share this video to your friends and colleagues who are all interested to know about an AI career. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you for watching complete video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media pages. Thank you.